Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a connection to something ancient and powerful? The moon, our constant companion, is more than just a beautiful light in the darkness. It's a clock, a calendar, a storyteller, and a guide for anyone who loves to watch the stars. This January, we're going to follow the moon through its mesmerizing cycle, and I invite you to join this cosmic journey. Let us dive into the lunar calendar for January 2026. Think of it as your personal guide to the best skywatching nights. The month kicks off with the last traces of the waning crescent moon, a sliver of silver hanging low in the pre-dawn sky. But the real show begins on January 8th, with the new moon. This is the moment the moon is hidden from our view, nestled between the Earth and the Sun. For astronomers and astrophotographers, this is a golden opportunity. With no moonlight to wash out the faint, distant objects, the sky becomes a deep, dark canvas. The winter constellations like Orion, the Hunter, and Taurus, the Bull, will be blazing in all their glory. It's the perfect time to grab your telescope or even just a pair of binoculars and explore the deep sky treasures hidden in the darkness, like the Orion Nebula or the Pleiades star cluster. It's pure, unfiltered cosmos. As the days pass, the moon begins its journey back into the light. First, a delicate waxing crescent appears in the western sky just after sunset. By January 16th, we reach the first quarter. When you look up, you'll see a perfect half moon standing high in the sky as darkness falls. This phase offers a fantastic opportunity to observe the moon itself. The line separating the light and dark sides, known as the terminator, is where the magic happens. The low-angled sunlight along this line casts long, dramatic shadows, making craters, mountains, and valleys stand out in stunning three-dimensional detail. It feels like you're flying over the lunar surface. The first quarter moon sets around midnight, so the second half of the night is still dark enough for some deeper space observation. You get the best of both worlds. Then the moon swells towards its brightest phase. Each night it appears fuller and stays up longer. This build-up of light transforms the landscape. The nights are no longer pitch black, but bathed in a soft, ethereal glow. And then, on January 24th, we're treated to the spectacular full moon. This is the wolf moon, a name that echoes ancient traditions of wolves howling on cold winter nights. A full moonlit night has a unique magic. The world is painted in shades of silver and grey. It's the perfect time for a moonlit walk to see the frost on the trees sparkle, or to try your hand at some landscape photography. While the bright light makes it hard to see faint stars, the sheer brilliance of the full moon is a spectacle in itself. It dominates the sky from dusk until dawn, a beacon in the cold winter night. After its peak, the moon begins to wane. On January 31st, we reach the last quarter. This time, the other half of the moon is illuminated. It rises around midnight and can be seen high in the southern sky at dawn. Just like the first quarter, the terminator reveals incredible surface details, but now on the opposite side of the lunar disk. It's a favorite for early risers, a quiet celestial show to accompany the start of your day. Observing the last quarter moon in the crisp morning air feels like sharing a secret with the universe before the world wakes up. Following the moon's phases isn't just an astronomical exercise. It's a way to reconnect with the natural rhythms of our planet and our solar system. In our busy, brightly lit lives, it's easy to forget to look up. Each phase of the moon offers a different experience, a different mood, a different reason to pause and appreciate the cosmos. It reminds us that we are part of something vast and beautiful. So this January, I challenge you to step outside, look up, and follow the moon. Let it be your guide through the winter nights. Let its changing face remind you of the constant, beautiful dance of the heavens. If you enjoyed this journey through the lunar cycle and want to fuel your mind beyond its limits, make sure to subscribe to Earth and Space. We have so much more to explore together. Thanks for watching, and clear skies.